Brad Williams, XL Prime, working with COUNTIF. This tutorial will be short and to the point. What we're doing is we're counting. Here we're counting characters. We're going to use multiple wildcards. Other than that, nothing different. What we're looking at is a layout of KF, COUNTIF, B5 to B15. This is pretty much a repeat of the other tutorials. In the previous wildcard, we used everything behind the last four letters. Here we're using PLA, and anything within this list that has PLA, we're going to count. The same with PAS and ST. Anything before or after, we're going to count. If we take a look, we're going to see PLA is located where? We have eggplant. Interesting, huh? If we're looking for PLA, we have EGG and ANT or NT, but that is included. Then we have radish PLA, and that's it. That's how you can incorporate wildcards to do a count. PAS shows up once under passion fruit. Keep in mind, COUNTIF doesn't care about case sensitivity. Why? Well, we're looking at PLA, but PAS, which is passion, has a capital P. And then ST would be strawberries, which is capital S. So you don't have to worry about case sensitivity here. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for watching.